South Humberside Main Line. The South Humberside Main Line runs from Doncaster on the East Coast Main Line to Thorne, where it diverges from the Sheffield to Hull line. It then runs eastwards to Scunthorpe and the Humber ports of Immingham and Grimsby, with the coastal resort of Cleethorpes as terminus. Route. Passenger services. The population in station catchments of the line is 470,000. The East Midlands Railway service between Cleethorpes and Barton-on-Humber uses the line until taking the Barton Line branch. Northern operate a service between Scunthorpe and Sheffield, calling at intermediate stations. The Barton Line forms a branch to this line from Ulceby Junction to Barton-upon-Humber. Passenger services on the line were provided by EMR. Service patterns. 1 train per hour East Midlands service, Sheffield Doncaster Scunthorpe. 1 train per hour Trans-Pennine Express service, Manchester Airport Doncaster Cleethorpes. 1 train per 2 hours East Midlands service, Barton-on-Humber Cleethorpes. 1 train per 2 hours East Midlands service, Nottingham Lincoln Grimsby Town. Freight. The South Humberside Main Line is one of 8 national 7-day railway routes, which target the routes with the strongest business case for investment. The port of Immingham is located at the end of the South Humberside Main Line from Doncaster. This generates around 1/5 of the total UK freight tonnage, with potential for significantly more. This line is therefore a very important route for freight, and extra capacity is needed to allow rail to grow with the port. Humber International Terminal Stage 2 was completed in 2006, which has doubled the amount of coal the port can handle. The route from Doncaster to Immingham via Scunthorpe is a key artery for rail freight services, conveying approximately 20% of the total rail freight volume moved in the UK. It includes steel to slash from Scunthorpe Steelworks, which is normally 10 trains per day, waste to Scunthorpe Roxby Gullet, which is normally 6 trains per day, coal from Immingham to various power stations in the Ayr and Trent Valley, which is normally 40 trains per day, petroleum from Humber and Lindsey oil refineries, which is normally 8 trains per day, petrochemical traffic from Immingham to Preston and Stalybridge, which is normally 2 trains per day, steel from Immingham to Avesta Works Sheffield Outokumpu, which is normally 2 trains per day. Services on the Doncaster to Goole/Hull via Thorne line, which normally amount to 8 trains per day, are also affected by these trains. Totals: 68 freight trains per day. Journey each way equals 136 paths, 6 paths, 6 paths. There are 3 tracks between Brocklesby and Robbie, 2 in the Doncaster direction and 1 in the Immingham direction. The line speed also restricts capacity. Between Ulceby and Doncaster the line speed is predominantly 55 mph, with Robbie Junction only 30 mph. The line speed between Immingham and Ulceby is mainly 30 mph. Loaded freight trains generally run at 60 mph on other lines, with some modern unloaded trains being capable of 75 mph. History. The line was initially part of the Manchester, Sheffield and Lincolnshire Railway until the company changed name to the Great Central Railway in 1897. In 1916, the section of route between Robbie and Brocklesby was quadrupled to cope with the growing amount of freight traffic heading for the docks at Immingham and Grimsby. In April 2019, a level crossing over the line at Suggett's Lane in Cleethorpes was closed due to safety concerns. In 2021, a footbridge with both stairs and ramps was installed to replace the level crossing. Incidents. In February 2013, a spoil heap from the now closed Hatfield Colliery that was weakened by rainfall caused a landslip and pushed the lines and track up into the air. The line was closed for 5 months, with trains being diverted through Brigg at Market Racing before it was reopened in July 2013. August 2015, a freight train derailed at Foreign Ore Junction, Santon near Scunthorpe, closing the line. A train previously derailed in this area in 2008.